Hi friends, welcome back to RB English Academy. In this video we are about to see few tips to solve para jumbles. Let's get into the session. Para jumble sentence, also known as para jumbles, involves rearranging a set of sentences into a logical and coherent paragraph. So in para jumbles we will get few sentences in an unarranged manner. We have to rearrange it in a proper order with logical and coherence. Here are few tips to solve the para jumbles. Let's see one by one. The first tip is identify the opening sentence. Look for a sentence that introduces a topic, person, place or concept. So we all know in every paragraph the opening sentence will start with the particular topic or person or place or concept. It usually doesn't start with a pronoun like he, she, it, they or conjunctions like but, because or and. So every sentence usually begin with the name of the person or place or things or particular ideas. And the next tip is look for logical flow. Arrange sentences in a sequence that makes logical sense. For example, a cause should come before its effect. A general statement should be followed by specific details, or an introduction should be followed by elaboration. So in every sentences there will be some logic. We have to identify the logic. Whether the sentences are in supporting ideas or contrasting ideas or cause and effect ideas. If we identify the thing, we can easily arrange it in a order. The next tip is use transition words. Words like however, therefore, furthermore, in addition, meanwhile, and on the other hand indicate the flow of thought and can help link sentences. So we can use these kind of transition words to connect the sentences. And the next tip is identify pairs of sentences. Some sentences naturally follow one another. For example, a sentence that poses a question will often be followed by a sentence that answers it, or a statement might be followed by an example. So in a particular statement, if they are asking any question, followed by they will give a answer. If they are given a general statement followed by a example for the particular statement. And the next tip is chronological order. If the sentences describe events, try to arrange them in the order in which they occurred. Time markers like first, next, then, and finally can guide you. For example, if it is a story, it will follow some chronological order. So, based on these clues, we can identify or we can arrange it in an order. And the next tip is identify pronouns and references. Sentences that contain pronouns like he, she, it, they often refer to something mentioned earlier. In the very beginning, we saw that the opening sentence will begin with name of the person, place, things, or concept, followed by we can use pronouns. Ensure that the noun being referred to appears before the pronoun. And the next tip is summarize the paragraph. The last sentence often summarizes or concludes the paragraph. Look for a sentence that provides a conclusion or ties together the ideas presented in the other sentences. So usually in the last sentence we used to conclude the thing. So easily we can identify the last sentence too. Eliminate out of context sentences. Sometimes one or two sentences may not seem to fit with the others. Identify these and place them last or consider if they belong at all. So if it is needed we can use it, otherwise we can remove the thing. And the next tip, practice regularly. The more you practice, the better you will become at identifying patterns and structures in jumbled sentences. So if you want to solve jumbled sentences, you need regular practice. And here I have given you an example. Read the sentences carefully. The sun was setting, casting a golden glow over the mountains. They decided to set up camp for the night. The hikers had been walking all day. They found a clearing near a stream. In this particular things, as we saw in the first slide, we have to identify the subject or opening statement. It will usually begin with name of a person, things or place. Here the hikers is the subject, so it is the first sentence. The hikers had been walking all day. Actually they are given a clue in the sentence, had been walking all day. So from the day till the evening they are walking, so it is almost the evening. So the sun was setting, casting a golden glow over the mountains. This is the second statement. And the next one, at the particular time they found a clearing near a stream. Actually they found a stream and there is a place. They decided to set up camp for the night. So it is already evening, so decided to make a camp for the night. And here I have given you the solution for the particular thing. Kindly refer to it. And the next example, the first step is to understand the problem thoroughly. After that, they brainstorm possible solutions. Problem solving is a skill that requires practice. Once they choose a solution, they implement it and evaluate the results. So here they have given many clues. If we identify the opening statement, we can easily arrange it in an order. Problem solving is a skill that requires practice. This is the opening statement because the passage is about problem solving skill. And they have given few tips. The first step, after that, likewise they have given few tips. Sequence, order. The first step is to understand the problem thoroughly. After that, they brainstorm possible solutions. And finally, once they choose a solution, they implement it and evaluate the results. The result will come at last. So this is the last statement. And here I have given solution for the particular thing. Kindly refer to it. And here I have given you a practice. Read the sentences carefully and identify the opening statement and identify the concluding statement and arrange the sentences in a proper order. And here I have given you another exercise. Read the statements carefully, and here they have given few tips like afterward, finally, first. Use these clue words and arrange the sentence in a logical order. For these two exercises, I will give the answer in the description. Kindly refer to it. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. keep supporting. If you like my channel, subscribe to it for more videos. Thank you.